Hi my beautiful people, this is Rosetta here and I'm back with another video in which I'm going to play with the beautiful colors blue and pink. These colors are so vibrant and I'm a big fan of vibrant colors. So let's quickly dive into the video and see how to create this beautiful look. I'm starting with moisturizing my face, which is a really important step and you should never skip. Then, using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer, I will quickly prime my face. Next, I'm applying the Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. I will apply it with the help of brush and then blend it with the help of a damp beauty blender. Initially the foundation looks lighter on my skin, but later on it just melts and sets on my skin really well. Next I'm applying the concealer on the high points and under my eyes. So I have applied the concealer under my eyes, at the center of my forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin and above my jawline. And I will be blending this with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm applying loose powder firstly on the areas where I have applied the concealer, and then I will apply the powder to the rest of my face. This will help you to lock the foundation and let it sit on its place. Let's move on to the eye makeup. I will start with my eyebrows by brushing them downwards and filling in the gaps using strokes in the direction of the hair growth. And I will do the exact same thing by brushing the eyebrows upwards and then filling in the gaps. Once you're done, brush it once again to set everything in place. Next, I will take MAC Paint Pot in the shade Laying Low and start cleaning underneath of my eyes. I will also use this all over my eyelids. And then blend it with a blending brush. Next, from the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette in the shade 2, I'm taking this light pink shade and using it as a transition shade by applying it on my crease and then drag it slowly above the crease. This palette is so pigmented and it does a great job. I have shown this palette in my previous video in the makeup shopping haul. If you haven't checked it, I will provide the link in the description box below. Next, I'm taking this darker shade of pink and I will place it right at my crease. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I will take a small blending brush and smoothen the edges so that I have a smooth transition. Now, with the help of my finger, I will place the blue shade on my eyelid. This is a beautiful blue shade. And in order to define it better, I'm using a brush and placing the same shade on my eyelids. Next, taking the black shade, I am just placing it at the outer V. And once I'm happy with the intensity, I will take a blending brush and soften the shades, just like this. Now for the lower lash line, I'm first placing the light pink shade and then applying the blue shade right till the area of the upper blue shade, till this area. Taking little black, I'm placing it on the outer area of my lower lash line. Once again, smoothing to get smooth transition. Now I'm brushing the powder under the eyes, and next I will apply the Oriflame Kajal. I will provide the description of all the products used in the description box below. Next, moving on to the eyeliner, I will quickly line my eyes. And then I will highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones. Next, I'm contouring the hollow of my cheeks in small circular motions, starting from the top part of my ears, sides of the nose, forehead and jawline. Taking the Kryolan blush, I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks. And then taking this Inglot highlighter, I'm applying it on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, chin, bridge of the nose and forehead. Next, I'm lining my lips and applying this liquid lipstick from darling Isabella. And apply the mascara. I always suggest to apply mascara on the lower lashes as well because it helps to define your eyes really well. Next, I'm taking the MAC spray and spraying it on my face to set everything in place. And here's the final look. It really looks so lovely. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.